incorrect statement. Cell-mediated immune response. That is called CMI, cell-mediated immunity, is responsible for graft rejection. That is why after receiving a graft, an organ from another one, you may have to take immunosuppressive medicines. Otherwise, sometimes your own body will be producing antibodies which will be causing its rejection. Okay. Acquired immunity is pathogen specific. It is against a specific. Innate is general. It is not against a pathogen. But acquired is against a specific pathogen, because it is because of that infection that we are acquiring that immunity. So it is against that pathogen only. Acquired immunity is pathogen specific. When body encounters a pathogen for the first time, it results in primary response. Primary response is slow and weak. That's why very often we'll be becoming sick. We will fall sick. Whereas when the same pathogen attack for a second time, our body is having memory. That memory is the most important feature of acquired immunity. Okay, and because of that, body remembers and produces antibodies. So antibodies are very strongly produced in quick short time, so that the antibody titer will be very, very high, and the secondary infection will be making our body to respond very quickly and strongly. Anamnestic response. Secondary response is very quick and strong. Okay. So this part is correct. Interferons are produced by all cells. Now, only when a virus is getting entry into a cell, that virus infected cell alone is producing some warning proteins, communicating proteins. They are called cytokines. Okay, so interferons are all produced by cells that are infected by that virus, by any pathogen. No. Antibodies are proteins which are also known as immunoglobulins. They are all involved in immunity. There are globular proteins, that is why it's called immunoglobulins. Correct.